Across the U.S., infrastructure is under pressure. With over 42,000 plus bridges in poor condition and a C rating from ASCE, the cost of inaction is rising. Deferred maintenance means higher expenses, safety risks, and shrinking budgets. For agencies, the challenge isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about proving the urgency to decision makers and securing the funding needed to act. Which structures should take priority? How do you balance short-term fixes with long-term planning? How do you tell the real story behind the data? Delaying maintenance doesn't just increase costs. It shortens asset lifespan, disrupts mobility, and puts safety at risk. Every dollar deferred today can cost exponentially more in the future. What if you had a tool that not only optimized your strategy, but also helped you communicate the urgency and secure the funding needed to act? Meet manageX, the bridge management and capital planning solution built to help agencies prioritize projects, optimize budgets, and justify funding decisions. manageX transforms complex data into clear, actionable insights, making it easier to plan maintenance, forecast future conditions, and advocate for the resources you need. With manageX, agencies can develop optimized capital plans based on real data, prioritize repair and replacement needs to maximize impact, leverage AI-driven deterioration models to forecast future conditions, compare budget scenarios, and find the most cost-effective solutions. Unlike traditional methods, manageX identifies the smartest allocation of resources, ensuring you get the best possible outcomes within any budget. manageX connects real-world data, from inspections and deterioration models to funding constraints and compliance standards, into a single source of truth for better planning. From routine maintenance to major rehabilitation, manageX provides scenario-based planning, helping agencies weigh trade-offs, meet performance benchmarks, and stay compliant with federal regulations. With accurate forecasting, optimized decision-making, and versatile reporting, manageX empowers agencies to build a smarter, more sustainable infrastructure strategy. Make every dollar count. Make every decision smarter. See manageX in action today. manageX. Smarter bridge management, better decisions.